Ribbit, ribbit, time to play, my little frogs.
Yay!
Flash, let's explore!
Where's the fifth little frog?
We were hopping over the rocks, but only 4 of us came back.
Only 3! Oh my!
We chased the fishies. Little frogs came back.
We were playing hide and seek.
Only one? Where are the others?
I explored the far lily pad.
Ribbit, 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 ribbit! We're back! Ribbit, ribbit!
Ribbit, ribbit! Great jumping! Yay! Ribbit, ribbit!
Sleep tight, little frogs.
Ribbit, good night!